Hey everybody, it's Dhaval. I'm at the Soalandy Silk Factory here in Ambalavao, Madagascar, and this is a co-op where they make fresh silk here, and it's pretty interesting. This is where they get the raw cocoon eggs from out in the jungle here of Madagascar, as you can see here. And then this, they dry them out after they're collected, and then they're kind of boiled into this little ball. And you can just kind of see the fine detail here that she has to do with this. And if you go over here, once those are all put together in those special balls, the silk is then boiled here for about a week. And then it becomes like very fibrous like this, kind of interesting. This is actual raw silk here, and then once it's all ready, it's made into the silk here. This is pure silk here, and as we go on through here, we can see she'll this lady over here will make them into strings. You can kind of see the attention to detail that she's doing. And then once those are made, once those are made into strings, then they're brought over here and mixed with all these natural colors like a aloe and I guess there's like a banana peel and some other fruit, and it gets these natural colors, as you can see up here. They're really beautiful, very soft. This one here is in turmeric, and just really gorgeous. And they bring it over here, and this lovely woman here makes it into a fabric, as you can see. And it's kind of a lot of attention to detail. She's just kind of getting up for me, but you can kind of see she's putting all this together here. All that attention to detail just to make some of that fabric there. It's a very detailed work, and you kind of see. And so once that's all put together, the fabric is made. We're going to cross over here, then it's actually sold here at the gift shop, and which is right over here. And here's some of the grounds here that I'm at. You can see. And
it's a very good idea, by the way. Yes, because sometimes you don't.
You can see like they make these into some beautiful fabrics here. These are about $26 US, and just really gorgeous. And you get various kinds here. Like that. But I never knew Madagascar was actually known for making silk. Bonjour. 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 And I think I might buy one of these here. Actually, they're kind of cool. So, anyway, this is Dhaval signing off here from Ambalavao, Madagascar here, getting a tour of the local silk factory. And I will check in with you guys later. Okay, take care. Bye.